Hello all. Today we are going to talk about some one ID function in Python and some memory management concepts. So let's start with ID. If there is a variable, we have assigned some value to it, and if we print ID of this variable, so you can see there is some numeric value it's showing. If we talk about in terms of C, there is we call address, but in Python we call this as identity. So it's similar to address. So what ID functions do? It takes a object or a single parameter and it prints the identity of that passed parameter. Now coming to the second concept, in Python, if there are two variables with same values in similar scope, then it doesn't create by default it doesn't create any new variable. It simply stores 5 in a single memory location, and it will point both the variables to that single memory location. Like in terms of code, if we see, if there is another variable b with value as 5, so what it will do, it will create a single memory location with 5, and it will point A to that memory location and B to the same memory location. So if we want to prove this point, let's print the ID of B. So if we print ID of B, so here you can see the ID, we are printing ID of two different variables, A and B, but the memory location of both is same. So you can see, like, this is a memory concept of Python. Like, if by default we are creating any two variables with same values, then it will not create a different memory location. It will store single variable in same single memory location, and it will point both the variables to that memory location. Let's take another example and see whether it's correct or not. Here we have taken a string in XYZ, two strings X and Y, and let's print their IDs. So if we run this program, so here you can see, in case of strings also it is showing same value. Okay. Now coming to the third concept, what is there is operator. So what is operator do? If we print X is Y, so it will return a boolean value. So is doesn't check the value here. Okay, so is will check whether the ID of X is same as ID of Y. If I run this, it is showing true. So is doesn't compares value, is compares the ID of both the variables passed. So coming to conclusion, if we X is Y is true only if ID of X is equal to ID of Y is true. So this is the main concept of is. It will return true only if the ID of both variables is true. I mean same. So these are very important concepts. So hope you like this video. So, thank you so much.